courtesy of the World Wide Web. Thank you very much, whoever put it together. And you can see our little plug. And we're going to start with this TD sensor resistance. Jibbers, have you got the prongs in?
We're doing positions 1 and 2.
Right, so we're going to do an ohms test.
And what kind of reading should we see?
We should be seeing between 600 and 1,000 ohms.
What are we seeing?
Oh, you did it right. We're actually seeing nothing at the minute. 1. Hang on. So, we've tested the ECU and we're ready to fire up the old Ferrari and see if this little bad boy in the back, let me have a quick zoom in, there's the little fella, or the little girl in there, see if we can get her fired up. So Dad, you ready? Fire her up! Woo! She sounds like a beauty! Oh, hang on. Hang on. Bugger. Okay, test the lights. Oh, nice. Magnum, eat your heart out. Give us a toot.
Flash first.
Give us a flash.
Flash first, there you go.
Yeah, I can see that.
And then
and a toot. Nice.
classic Ferrari.
Coffee shop Ferrari.
What else?
Scott, you're looking a bit hot, mate. You need to cool off.
Hold on. I've got the result. Plugs on bank 1, and we now discover that after what we've done today, which basically boils down to our checks on our wiring, the ECU apart and some contact cleaner on that and cleaning it all up, also cleaning up this distributor cap and all the contacts, we're now getting a very nice spark on the rear bank, and we've just done another test and we're getting a spark very clearly on the front bank. So we're still not firing up, but we're very happy because we are a major step forward, and potentially it saves us £2,000
on the ECU
on a new ECU, which was going to be a massive cost for us. So now we're going to have a little meeting,
have a little think,
get our thinking.
Is it pub time? Do you think it's time for a pint at the pub?
I think.
Or maybe let's go for a coffee. Latte sounds nice.
But if you've got any suggestions,
info,
come through to us.
Come through, Facebook us, Twitter us.
We're always open to suggestions on this.
Michelle, we know.
Michelle,
yeah.
Forget it. You've got no clue.
You haven't got a clue. But I tell you what, you can make us a nice little latte if you fancy it.
We'll see you next time.
Day 5.
Day 5.